Assalamu alaikum, my dear all viewers. I hope that you are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today in this video, you are going to learn some greetings in English. Actually, what is the greetings? Greetings is the things which you can use whenever you meet with someone, with anyone. You can use these greetings. If you can use these greetings, anyone will be impressed, will be very excited to talk to you. Will be very mesmerized to talk to you. So this is the things which I want to share with you. So I am not your teacher. I am your English. I am your friends, only friends. Okay, so don't think that I am your teacher. Okay. So first of all, first greetings is nice to meet you. Okay, so American citizens, whenever they meet with someone, with anyone, they must try to use these greetings, nice to meet you. So whenever you meet with your friends or with your parents or with your relative person, you must try to say nice to meet you. Okay, so if I tell you first time nice to meet you, don't say nice to meet you. You must try to add with nice to meet you too. So you can say nice to meet you too. Okay, so whenever you meet with someone, you must try to say nice to meet you. Okay, and must be anyone will be mesmerized on you. Second greeting says have a nice day. End of the meet, you must try to say have a nice day to anyone. If you can say, everybody will be very glad on you. And the next one is best wish for you. For example, if someone get married in this time, if you meet with him, you can say best wish for you. Okay, for that means you are praying for his future will be bright. Okay, so the next one is excuse me. Okay, so whenever you try to focus someone, first someone instruction to you, you must try to say, you can say excuse me. For example, I'm standing here spending beer and I don't know your name, I don't know you, but I need some information, I want to know something from you. In this time I can say that excuse me. Okay, and then congratulations. Whenever anyone get a result, for example, if your colleague got a result in the SSC exam, if you get a plus in SSC exam, you can say congratulations. Or anyway, if anyone do something better, you can say congratulations. That means you are trying to make him happy. Okay, so next one is amazing. Whenever you talk to someone or with anyone, if you feel happy, if you're laughing, in this time you can say wow, it's amazing. You can use wow with amazing. That time you can say wow, it's amazing. For example, I'm talking to you in this time, I am laughing after listening to your talk anything, I can say wow, it's amazing. Okay, so next one is delicious. For example, you are eating something, if your food is very special or very qualitable, in this time you can say after eating, you can say wow, it's delicious. If your lunch or dinner or breakfast will be better, you can say wow, it's delicious. Today's our breakfast is so much delicious. Okay, with laughing you can say wow, our dinner is totally delicious. Today's cooking is very delicious. Okay, so the next one is good job. If anyone do something better, if anyone help to someone, okay, in this time you can say good job. If anyone do something better, which do you like most, in this time you can say good job. Very good. Okay, the next one is good point. If anyone do something better, or if anyone give you some information which is you like most, which is very amazing information, in this time you can say good point. Or if you whenever you talk with your friend, suddenly if you remember something special things in this time, you can say good point. Okay, so the next one is how dare you. If anyone do something special, okay, which you don't like, in this time you can say how dare you. Okay, and then the last one is movie set. Please movie set. For example, if now you think that this is TV. I don't know you know TV or not, but this system all of the people know mobile phone, don't know TV. Okay, for example, this is TV. Okay, I'm standing in front of the TV and you are watching TV. Suddenly I'm standing here. In this time you are kind of watching anything from this TV. In this time you can say that, sir, please movie set. Don't say movie set. If you say movie set, anyone can angry on you. So in this time you can say that please movie set. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. These are the things which I want to share with you. So keep well by the grace of Almighty Allah. See you next video with Allah Hafiz. Bye.